Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Tashu from Non-Clinical Dental Fellowship. Today we are going to talk about how the fellowship works and how our fellows have experienced the fellowship so far. And for the same, we have Dr. Pragya with us, who is our current fellow.
Hi.
Awesome. Welcome to the session, Pragya. And I think we can start with the basic question: how your experience has been so far with the fellowship. I would love to know more about it.
I think I made a very great decision when I did, which was right after my BDS to join the fellowship. It's like sort of a test drive for everything beyond the dental chair. So for me, like it wasn't just that I explored everything within the healthcare system, but everything beyond that, from analytics to consultancy and all which is required within the medical field. So I think it was a great experience and a real eye opener. And it was like we were explained more than just words. I actually got to meet the people behind the roles as such. So it was a great experience.
Awesome. Thank you so much for sharing that. But I would love to understand when you joined the fellowship, what was your thought process like? Like, how were you feeling at that point in time versus how you're feeling in your journey now?
Honestly, like I said, at that point, I had just graduated from my dental college. So it was like I was really blind walking into a clinic or even any other non-clinical job. All I knew were words, and from we weren't even akin to how to write our own CV. So I was right at the beginning of this entire journey, and I got with the Dr. Tashu and her team early on. And it was a like I really had some clarity. It was like someone was holding your hand throughout the entire journey. So it really felt like I got the space and clarity to explore for real with other batchmates who were also like great support during the entire program.
Awesome. Awesome. And what is one thing which has surprised you the most during the fellowship program? Like anything about the fellowship program that has surprised you?
I think it was a number of things, including that initially when I joined, I was just looking for clarity. I was so blind. But through the process, I realized that it was really fun. It was such a wholesome process to do activities together, to talking to people who've been in our position. And in general, just it was a group activity. And I actually reserved my time during the weekends for it. I got to ask so many questions and get authentic human answers to them rather than just like, uh, like a search up on the internet. So it was really helpful.
Awesome. And my last question would be what is one piece of advice you would want to give to fresh dental graduates?
I think I want to tell all these people to explore no matter how sure you are, even if like about dentistry, even about clinical dentistry, I would say. And maybe even I'm in the same position, but I think exposure only helps. It never gives you confusion, it only gives you clarity. So I think this entire process was really helpful to me. I feel better, I sleep better at night, knowing that I know what these words mean, what other people are doing, what's an analyst versus what's a consultant, because we were totally in a different curriculum. And so it's great catching up and knowing everything that is possible.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing your journey and all your thoughts. That's all I have
Thank
for
you.
today. And thank you so much for coming for this session. Thank you so much. It means a lot.
Thank you.